Hello teachers, welcome back. Today we're diving back into the exciting world of brainstorming and ideation. It's all about taking a fresh perspective to ignite creativity and problem-solving skills in our students. So let's get started. Tell your students brainstorming isn't just about generating ideas. It's about opening ourselves up to new possibilities and seeing things from different angles. Whether you're tackling a classroom project or a real-world challenge, brainstorming is a powerful tool. Now, there are many ways to brainstorm. You can do it alone or in a group. You can use prompts, ask questions, or even shake a magic 8-ball for inspiration. What would Lego do? What would Disney do? What would Nike do? These prompts encourage students to think outside the box and consider how well-known brands might approach a problem. More prompts like these can be found in the online classroom. Go to enterprisinggirls.com.au and click on Online Classroom in the Teacher Hub to download the free lesson plan in full. It's amazing how a simple prompt can spark a flood of creative ideas. But remember, there's no right or wrong way to brainstorm. The goal is to let our imaginations run wild and explore every possibility. Now let's see brainstorming in action with a classroom activity. Split your class into groups, assign them a problem and then prompt them to solve it Disney style, Nike style, Google style, even in your school principal style. And that's the beauty of brainstorming. It encourages creativity, collaboration and critical thinking, all essential skills for success in the classroom and beyond. So next time you're faced with a challenge, remember to take a fresh perspective and let those ideas flow. Who knows what amazing solutions you'll come up with? Happy brainstorming and happy teaching. Remember to visit the Enterprising Girls website and grab the entire lesson plan for free. You'll find the link in the description below. We provide an online classroom where you can monitor your students' progress, access curriculum links, and streamline reporting. Explore it at enterprisinggirls.com.au by clicking on the online classroom in the Teacher Hub.